ActiLearn.
Puzzles are the basic building blocks to cognitive development. Puzzles come in various shapes, sizes, and levels of difficulty. Puzzle play is not only a great game to build fine motor skills and cognitive skills, but it can also nurture language skills, analytical skills, and social skills. Let's watch Kritin and Pranav play a puzzle game using ActiLearn's Puzzle Kit. ActiLearn offers many interesting and fun puzzle kits for children. Whether it's a long journey or a quiet evening time, ActiLearn's puzzle kits can help keep your little ones engaged and happy for a long time. Interested in ActiLearn? Check out the description box to inquire or to place orders. Thanks for watching the video and do join our social media community. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.